Tired of expensive barista-made coffee? Brew like a pro at home and save a fortune with the Breville Barista Pro Espresso machine, now a staggering $250 off. This all-in-one marvel grinds, brews, and steams, transforming whole beans into cafe-quality espresso in under a minute. Its precise digital temperature control, powerful steam wand, and automatic dosing ensure perfect results every time. The ThermoJet heating system achieves brewing temperature in mere seconds, while the 9-bar extraction guarantees rich, flavorful espresso. Plus, the LCD screen guides you through every step, from grinding to cleaning. Ditch the daily coffee shop run and elevate your home brewing game. Check the video description for links to snag this incredible deal before it's gone.